Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Drawing course. In this lecture, we are gonna show how we can send the dimension properties in the one place. So we can go here to the options, and then we can go here to document properties tab and dimensions here like this. Or we can go here, and we can choose here edit document units. And we are here, and now let's choose dimensions. So here, first we can change the text font if we want. We can choose a different font and height. Down here, we have dual dimensions. We can check dual dimension display. And now we can go with the position, top, bottom, right, left. As well, we can go show units for dual dimensions display if we want. Let's check this. Here we can find the primary precision. So we can here choose the number of decimals and go with 3. Here for the dual precision. As well, we can choose number of decimals. Down here we have fractional display. So we can choose the style of fractional display here. And here we can choose the band leaders. Now let's go down here. Here we have show unit of dimensions, and let's check this one. But on the right side we have arrows. Here we can change some dimensions of our arrows. As well, here we can choose a style. So we can go now, for example, with this style, and the style will be applied to all dimensions that we choose. And here we can define the option distance between dimensions. Now we have 6 mm. We can, for example, increase this to 10 mm. Like this, and let's click OK. Now here we can see that we have 12 dimension in inches and in millimeters. And now we can see here, we have a different arrow style. And these styles apply to all dimensions. And now if we go to annotation, smart dimension, let's make this dimension. Now we have the same arrow style here. So this is how we can set up dimension properties in the one place, and that could affect all dimensions on our drawing sheet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.